Hey guys, just want to give you a quick update on how our flower pillows are doing. They are looking so great. If you guys did not see the first video, we will put the link in the description or the comment section below. But just to give you a quick idea of what the flower pillow is, Proven Winners came up with this concept of putting 5 plant plugs in what's essentially a giant tea bag. You take the tea bag, put it in your container, put some soil around it, the tea bag biodegrades and the plants grow, and it's just easy. So I planted up 3 of these in our first video, so I'm just going to show you each one of these in the order I planted them up in the video before. This is a Supertunia Rose Blast Charm, and it is doing great. This is actually a hanging basket, full of color, and these plants are huge. They started out so small. I am really thrilled. All right, I'm going to set this one down and grab the second one. This one is called Velvet Skies, and it's a mix of a Supertunia Mini Silver, Supertunia Royal Velvet, and a Blushing Princess Alyssum, which is in here. I love this mix. I love it in the teal colored pot, and it's just crazy. Look at how big this thing is growing. Let me twist it. So I did put some slow release fertilizer in here before I planted them. I mixed it into the soil, and I have been fertilizing it with a water soluble as well. So I think that they're responding super great. And here is the Enchanted Garden combo. This one is a Supertunia Black Cherry, Supertunia Latte, and this gorgeous potato vine. I am loving how this is looking, especially in this container. And even though I started off with a little bit smaller container than was recommended, it's looking great so far. So now let me show you where all of these belong in my garden. Of course, I don't keep them on this table all the time. And we did plant up a few more flower pillows that look amazing too. So I want to show those to you. So let's go place this one. I put this one in a spot where I had some other red flowers because I thought it would be pretty, and I had 2 of the same flower pillow, so I decided to plant this one right at the base of the container just so I could see the difference in how they grew. And so far the one in the container is doing better. Now the hanging basket. This one has been hanging from the side of our barn along with 4 other flower pillows, and this gets sun until about 2-ish in the afternoon, so it's getting a good block, like 6 to 7 hours of sun, and they're all doing really well. So let me show you the other ones. This one is made up of Supertunia Limoncello, Superbell's Evening Star, and Supertunia Royal Velvet. This might be one of my favorite combos because I love purple and yellow. This one is made of Supertunia Flamingo, Superbena Royal Plum Wine, and the Superbell's Evening Star. Really sweet one, and the Supertunia is going crazy. Look at that. This one is Supertunia Bordeaux, Supertunia Limoncello, and Superbena Royal Plum Wine in there. This one looks a little bit smaller than the rest of them. I might need to do a little more fertilizer. Still really pretty though. And this is a repeat of one of the other ones. This is the Supertunia Limoncello, Supertunia Royal Velvet, and Superbell's Evening Star. It looks like the 2 on this end might not be getting quite as much sun as the rest of them. I might have to move these. We shall see. Now I want to show you where the teal pot goes. This is our rock garden area where I've got a lot of natives, drought tolerant stuff, and even some hardy succulents, and there's no water to this spot. So I thought it'd be really pretty to put in a few containers with some really bright color. So that's where the Velvet Skies is. And then right next to it, I have a combo that has a Supertunia Vista Fuchsia, Supertunia Vista Bubblegum, and a Supertunia Vista Silverberry. Really pretty pink arrangement. And then I love this one because of the Superbena in it. This is a Superbena Royal Cherry Burst, and then we've got a Superbell's Cherry Star and a Superbell's Yellow Chiffon. Really gorgeous arrangement of color. Okay, there's one more I want to show you guys before we're done. So this one is Sensatia Blood Orange, Superbell's Frostfire, and Supertunia Honey. I think this is a really interesting mix of colors. I really like it. All right, so that's the update on our flower pillows. And you guys, I am totally sold on this idea because every container I have a flower pillow in is outperforming everything else in my yard right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye. This one is Supertunia Flamingo, Superbena.
You said the first time to me too.
Yeah.
Bena.
This one is made of Supertunia Flamingo, Superbena, Superbell's Yellow Chiffon, and the Superbena Royal, I keep saying Superbena. Superbena Royal Cherry Burst.
You just said it again.
Superbena?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What is the deal? And then I love this one because of the Superbena in it. This is a Superbena. This is a Superbena